Chapter 1.3, calculating income of hourly wage type of jobs. So the try these is really very similar to a lot of the calculations that you're going to do. This would be your hourly wage. It's a dollar amount multiplied by the number of hours. So you can use a calculator for these. Just enter it. You don't need the zero in the cent, the hundredths place value. So $340. Okay, and then 25. Doesn't matter which order, if you're multiplying hours first or wage. $7.5 times 16. You'll find in this chapter that some of the hourly wages are a little bit low. It was originally printed a few years ago, and Alberta also has the highest minimum wage, I think, of any province right now. So just use whatever it is, even if it's not our minimum. So for example, here, $12.45 per hour, that would probably be $15. Okay, so in any case, Rochelle earns $12.45 per hour as a cashier at a grocery store. She worked 35 hours last week, so what is her gross income? You just multiply the number of hours times the rate per hour. And really, this is a unit, so the hours divide out and you're left with dollars. So that's how the units work on that. And so that's really 35 times 12.45 is 435.75. And that's her, just copying it out. That's her gross pay. The dollar sign's already there. If it's not there, you need to put it in. Next one, Denzel works at a tire manufacturing plant and earns $10.20 per hour on day shift. Then he works the evening or night shift. He earns a shift premium of $1.15 per hour for evening or night. Okay, it gets paid a little bit more. Last month, he worked 80 hours on a day shift, 40 hours on evening, and 40 hours on nights. What was his gross income for the month? So usually we split it up into parts. So here, on the day shift, there were 80 hours on the day shift, okay? So for days, he earned 80 times his hourly rate, which is $816. And then for evening or night shift, he gets that shift premium. So $1.15 is added on to his hourly rate. It'll be different for overtime. Sometimes overtime you get paid double time. That's not adding, that's multiplying. This is adding. It's a shift premium here, so means you add it on. So $10.20 plus $1.15 is $11.35. How much will you earn on the evening and night shifts? Well, total hours, they already put it in here, 40 of each, so that's 80 hours, $11.35. So my calculator, $11.35 times 80 is $908. And then, so that's 816 plus 908. If you already have the 908, you can just go add 816. Or in a graphing calculator, you can actually cursor up to get that. In this case, $1,724. Okay, and that would be his total income.